In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Obsidian Mobile with Perplexity. We'll walk through the exact taps to get the Perplexed plugin installed and enabled on your phone so you can bring Perplexity-style answers right into your notes. Start by opening the Obsidian app on your mobile device and make sure the vault you want to use is open. If you keep multiple vaults, choose the one where you want Perplexity access, because plugins are managed per vault. Next, look to the top left of the screen and tap the box icon. This opens the main sidebar, sometimes called the Vault or File pane. Depending on your theme, it may look like a square or a drawer. If your toolbar is hidden, a quick tap near the corner usually reveals it. From there, head to the bottom area and tap the Settings gear. This opens the Vault's settings on mobile, where all plugin controls live. Take a second to confirm you're in the right vault before proceeding. In Settings, find Community Plugins. This section is where third-party add-ons extend Obsidian's capabilities. You might see a brief notice explaining that community plugins are created by independent developers. Review that information so you know what you're enabling. Tap Browse to open the Community Plugin Marketplace. Give it a moment to load. A stable internet connection helps here. The marketplace lists thousands of plugins, so using the search bar is the fastest way to find what you need. In the search field, type Perplexity. The plugin you're looking for is called Perplexed. Open its page to quickly scan the description, check recent updates, and confirm it's the one that integrates Perplexity-style functionality. When you're ready, tap Install, and after installation completes, tap Enable. You'll see it added to your plugin list, confirming it's active in this vault. That's it. You've opened Obsidian Mobile, accessed the sidebar, entered Settings, navigated to Community Plugins, browsed the marketplace, searched for Perplexity, and installed and enabled the Perplexed plugin. You're now set to explore Perplexed inside your notes and streamline your research workflow on the go.